Introducing Contour. Beautiful homes deserve beautiful solar arrays. Elevate the look of any pitched roof system. Sleek lengths of trim can connect along the front-facing edge or wrap around the sides. End caps provide a clean finish, while interior and exterior corners seamlessly transition around bends. The clamp has been designed to secure directly to the bottom flange of nearly any module. Attach it onto a module frame within 12 inches of a down roof corner of the array. Then secure the inner T30 Torx bolt. Contour trim arrives in 84-inch lengths, and each segment is supported by 2 clamps. Snap trim into the open tray of both clamps. Slide it into position and torque the top Torx bolts. Hidden end clamps, such as camo, are used when trim is placed on the sides along rail ends. Contour has been engineered to provide a consistent gap around the array. Make any array look great and have your crew on and off the roof in a snap. Contour, sleeker all around.